Hi warriors, Melita here. I am back. I don't know about you, but me personally, I am ready for fall, like legit. So I'm gonna be creating this fall inspired look because I love me some dark lip, okay? Dark brown, all them vampy lips. I love it. As much as I get cold a lot, I still love fall the most. Better than winter. Okay, so that was my tape. I love to use Shadow Shield because I like for my eye makeup to be very clean and sharp. I already did my brows as usual. I have a detailed brow video if you want to check it out. I will leave the link down below. And the concealer I just used was the for my lid, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now just go ahead and blend that all over my crease, well, on my lid, and kind of take it up to my crease. So whenever I blend with the brush, I always like to go in with a damp beauty blender and then just push the product in there. Using the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 palette for this look. I only use one palette. So I'm gonna go in with this brownish burgundy right there. And first I would just go ahead and do what I normally do. Push the product in, build it, and then blend later. I find that I get a better color payoff that way. Pay off. So what I'm gonna do next is go into this one for my brow bone, between my brow bone and that space right here. Instead of just going in with that burgundy, I'm gonna go in with this to create a smoother and more seamless transition. You see that? So that gap is not just empty. And then I'm gonna now push this one in like so. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything together so it don't look like it's just sitting on my skin and it's blended seamlessly. I'm using a Morphe 505 brush, and I'll leave the name of the brushes I'm using. Now to cut my crease, I'll be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on my lid. I like to make sure my brush doesn't have much product on it, because you can add but you can't take away. So just go little at the time. And also, it's better when you don't put more product on your lid, that way it dries quicker. And for my lid, I'll be going in with this Ash Silver Now these are the lashes I'm going to be using, the 24mm lashes. I have a video of that as well. I got these from AliExpress. I'm just going to go ahead and prep my lashes, put glue on them. So my lashes are getting tacky. I put glue on them, and I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Look at my eyes work though. Anyways, and just coat my real lashes to give the falsies something to hold on to. Damn it, now I have to clean that up, but I'll have to wait till it get dry. I'm going to line my eyes as well with the glue, my lid. Just like the lashes, the glue on the lashes, I'm gonna let this one sit as well to get tacky before I apply the lashes. I used this 2 primer while I was processing my lashes, and now I'm gonna go ahead with the Too Faced Hangover RS 3-in-1 primer, the yellow one. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Lancome powder all over my face.
The yellow one and the blue one. Got it. Here you go.
You can put it down. I'll take it after. And I'm just setting everything.
These are
I like to do that before I go in with my foundation.
These are the eggs, Mom.
That's the Kat Von D Lacquer Concealer. So what I've been doing is reverse highlighting. So I put my concealer under before my foundation. And since this concealer is light, that's even better. And I'm just gonna go ahead with this brush and blend it underneath my eyes. It's actually good. Back then, I did it before when I didn't know what I was doing, and I thought that was the way to highlight. But you know what? It was actually a good idea, to be honest. So I started trying it lately, and I love it again. And if you're not, if you're the person who likes super highlighted face, maybe this is not for you. But me personally, I don't mind. That's why I do it. Go back in with a damp sponge. For my foundation today, I'll be using the Becca foundation, and I will just put that all over my face like I would normally do. And this is the foundation brush I'm going to be using today. To further blend, you just go ahead and pick up a beauty blender. Why I keep squeezing it, and go back in there, push it in, push the foundation into your skin by legit beating your face. So your foundation is not just sitting on your skin, but it's pushed in there. Now with me, I wouldn't be adding an additional highlight or concealer to highlight. This is good enough for me. But if you feel like you still need, you still want to look highlighter, you can just go ahead and add some more concealer. Tarte's palette to contour my face and bring some color into my skin. So I'll be using these two. Just mix them together. I will be using these two powder to set. First, I'll go in with the Cover FX one, and this is the translucent deep. Looks like so. And this is new. My first time about to try it today. Well, it's not new on the market, but it's new in my possession. Oh. Okay. Not shabby. Look at that. Do you see my under eye, how smooth they look? Now I'm second guessing. I don't think I want to use the Sacha powder today. I want to use this all day and also see how it's gonna hold up. I use this black pencil for my waterline, and I'm gonna go ahead and just set my entire face. And now I will spray it with the Mario Badescu Rose Water to melt all that powder in my skin. I'll be highlighting using these two. This is from Becca and this one is from Pretty Vovo. I will first go in with the Becca highlighter. This one is more of a cream highlighter. This is the Tarte liquid lipstick and the MAC lip liner that really needs a new one. Wow. And this is Night Moth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. So the Too Faced Hangover RS spray, also a setting spray, so I'm going to use it to set in my entire face. Okay warriors, I am back. This is the finished result and this look to me screams everything fall. I got my sweaters and leggings ready, okay? So fall can come anytime. I am ready to layer and I am feeling this look. If this video was helpful, give me a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to do that. Hit the notification bell when you do to get notified when I upload. And comment down below, tell me what you think about this. All right, I will catch you in my next video. Till next time, be safe, stay blessed and fabulous.